Sometimes we all feel a little bit blue, don't we? But not tonight, right? Nobody tonight.
No.
Nobody's feeling blue tonight.
No.
The good old Calvinist pragmatism.
Not anymore.
Not anymore. All right. All right. So I'm gonna try to bring you up with this song here. It's called. Well, people are always like, "You live in Spain. You should write a song in Spanish." So this song has a few words in Spanish. It's called Ayayayay. Why don't you wear what you wanted to wear? Why don't you say what you wanted to say? Why don't you sing those songs? Why don't you wear what you wanted to wear? See, all your sweaters are starting to tear. And who told you it was wrong? What's that you say? What's that you say? Eh, eh. What's that you say? Oh, don't say it's love. Ayayayay, 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 ayayayay. Now listen. In the beginning there were just two, and then God threw them out of the zoo. Was it what they said or what they choose? Sometimes we say things we regret when we get wasted or when we get wet. But thank God for that fruit. Watch what you say. Hey, watch what you say. Watch what you say. Oh, don't say it's love. Ayayayay, 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 ayayayay. Oh, thank God for that fruit. Oh, thank God for that fruit. Oh, thank God. Ask me, I won't say now. How could I? If there's something you'd like to try, if there's something you'd like to try, ask me, I won't say no. How could I? Spending warm summer days indoors, writing frightening verse to a buck-toothed girl from Amsterdam. Ask me, ask me, ask me. Ask me, ask me, ask me. Because if it's not love, then it's the bomb, the bomb, the bomb, the bomb, the bomb, the bomb, the bomb that will bring us together. Thank you. Thank God for that fruit, huh? That we got the knowledge of good and evil. We could do all this amazing stuff. Just to know how long do I have so I can know how many?
10 minutes.
Okay, 10 minutes. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna play kind of a new song. The song is about an actress named Natasha Kinski. Anybody ever heard of this actress? Yeah. She was in a film called Paris, Texas. I'm from close to Paris, Texas. And nothing special about Paris, Texas. Just like a fried catfish place, that's all I remember really. But this song is about her. She was a great actress, but she never got the big parts, the big roles, like, you know. Oh, we have a problem here.
She got the proper roles.
She got the proper roles?
Yeah.
Could have been a problem there. Problem averted, wow. Kinski, they never gave you the right parts, like Sandra and Julia and other A-list stars. Now Paris and Celeste are closer than you think, but I'm wandering around here like old Harry D. If they put me on the radio, that would be enough for me to be playing with the air as a Kinski. Now Miss Kinski, tell me how many languages you speak, and do you have another tongue to teach me? I'm standing here listening to a shitty cover band, and I wanna be your cover, I wanna be your man. If they put me on the radio, that would be enough for me to be playing with the air out guitars a Kinski. If they put me on the radio, that would be enough for me to be playing with the air out guitars a Kinski. This song is called Art Star. It's another new one. Art Star. Every gallery knows they love every stroke. It's amazing you can even make a living just setting up a vintage television. You're an art star. Every gallery knows you're in every show. Now you're wearing thick black rimmed glasses. Didn't even know that you wore glasses. But now you're getting lots of sweet little asses. Now you're in Marfa, and you're doing some blow off an Indian bowl. Now you're spinning psychedelic records. Another after party in the desert. You're an art star. You've got your heart up your sleeve, but somehow make them believe you just sold a frame from a comic, a cheeky chupacabra in a bonnet, unfiltered, unadulterated psychic vomit. You're an art star.
Yeah.
I think I got one more. What do you think? Alright, one more. This song, okay, don't judge me, okay? But this song was written before all of this stuff went down. Okay? And this title has nothing, it's just a nonsense title. But it's called Ukrainian Harlot Machine. Oh, by the way, I'm Nurk, and thanks so much for coming out. It's going to be my last one. By the way, I have pins here, starting at €30 a piece, okay? Because there's only 4. Supply and demand, supply and demand. Ah, yeah. And I have these cards. See, my real name is Eric B. So I'm just going to pass these around. If you have a pin, does anybody have a pin? Like a pen, something to write with?
A pen.
A pen. Oh, sorry. You pronounce it British way. Sorry. Pen. You have a pen? Do you have a pen? Well, I'm just going to pass these around. If you have a pen, feel free to just write a little message for me on there, okay? Because tonight's all about me, really, you know. You can just take one and write a little message and pass the rest on. So anyway, this song is called Ukrainian Harlot Machine. It's not natural to be so low. It's not rational to feel slow. When you were lying, baby, on my calm show, you were shit. On my star show, you were shit. For so much love. Are you passionate to be alive? Are you cashing in? I love your life. When you were talking, buddy, such a bold way you're talking, buddy. Could've swore, I could've swore you were some famous whore. Some famous whore. Is it factual? All of your news? Was it contractual? Hanging in your news? When you were shooting, baby, in the air, I'm sure you were shit. I was there, you should've shot me down, baby. Like an American, like a American, like a American, like a American. Yeah. Come back, baby, crash my crush my machine. Everybody stick around for Gei't. What was the name of the other band? I'm sorry. WitteGei't. Yeah. Stick around for WitteGei't and Billy. Thank you. I'm Nurk. Thanks.